Suspect charged with murder of Brian Todd Anthony Boucher, more popularly known as Ras Ajay from the Bob Marley movie One Love. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Suspect Andre Dixon, who was arrested on Thursday night, has been charged with the murder of Brian Todd Anthony Boucher, more popularly known as Ras Ajay, from the Bob Marley movie One Love. Dixon was charged today by detectives attached to the Portmore Criminal Investigation Branch, the CIB. The Jamaican actor and musician was shot and killed just hours after arriving back in Jamaica from the United States. Boucher, who is also known as Ras Ajay, is from Newport Way, New York City, and had just arrived in Jamaica hours earlier, sources disclosed. He played the alleged Jamaican gangster Claude Massop in the Bob Marley One Love movie. Another man was also injured in the attack, which is being investigated by the St. Catherine South Police. It's reported that Boucher and a 37-year-old man were walking along the roadway when they were surprised by armed thugs traveling in a car. Police sources said that one of the thugs got out the car and opened gunfire at the actor and another man before escaping in the vehicle. Boucher was pronounced dead at the Spanish Town General Hospital. The other man was admitted for treatment. His condition is not known up to the publication of this report. Born in St. Catherine, Jamaica, Ras Ajay launched his music career in 2012 before signing to Sean Paul's Dirty Rock production in 2018. Known for his self-described ghetto gospel sound, he earned recognition for blending uplifted messages with the realities of street life. Beyond music, Ras Ajay also made his mark in film, portraying Claude Massop in Bob Marley One Love, introducing his talent to an international audience. Tributes have begun pouring in from family, friends, and colleagues who are remembering him for his contribution to Jamaican music and culture. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.